Hey guys, Steve Spire, Integrity Networks, going over how to install OneDrive using PowerShell here. Go ahead and open the link, click on the link, or open onedrive.com. I'm going to click on download. In this case, it's going to bring up one other option here where I have to click on the actual button to get the download started. In this case, I'm using Chrome, so it's going to show up on the bottom. If you don't know where it's going to save it to, click the aileron, slide on down to show in folder. That's going to open the folder where the file is going to download and complete in. Once the file is downloaded, I prefer to move it to a easy or simple location on the PC, in this case, to run it. So I'm going to use, in this case, I'll use ctemp. Ctemp is a folder I created. If it doesn't exist, and it won't if you haven't created or someone hasn't before, what you can do is create that folder by just clicking on computer over on the left, going on your C drive. I like the right click menu here. So if that doesn't exist, right click and go down to new. And then we're going to click on folder. It'll give you a new folder name, and be sure to name it something you know where it is. Once there, I prefer to move the OneDrive over. I like to right click on the start menu and then click on Windows PowerShell for admin. You might get a prompt, probably will get a prompt there to continue as admin. Once here, you're going to change directory. Do that by typing in cd space c:\temp. Once you have that, it's going to show you're in the correct location or folder on the left. And then you're going to type in onedrivesetup.exe space / all users. Hope that helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions.